IPVM courses go in-depth on video surveillance, access control, and the related parts of networking and security for the highest quality of training available in security technology. After completing a course, students understand the core technologies and trade-offs, helping them make better decisions on the job. Unlike typical industry training based on sales and marketing material, IPVM is grounded in our unique research. IPVM courses require students to test their comprehension through assignments, quizzes, and a final exam. If you score 90% or higher on the exam, you'll receive an IPVM Certificate of Course Completion. IPVM courses recognizes those who are serious about their professional development and care about making informed security decisions that are not biased to manufacturer influence. Experienced professionals share that what they learn from IPVM is in another league compared to other training. Over 2,500 students have completed IPVM courses and more are added constantly. More than 150 professionals completed at least 3 courses. How do IPVM courses work? Live courses meet twice a week with full access to the instructor for 1 hour. Weekly assignments and quizzes keep you on track for completing the course. On-demand courses grant access to all videos, reading material, and quizzes immediately upon enrollment. A one-on-one call with the instructor will orient you with the course, introduce you to IPVM, and answer any questions you have. Once a week, you may attend office hours to get help and ask questions live. During the rest of the week, interact with the instructor over email and the class-specific discussion boards. Complete the course at your own pace. When you have finished all the assignments and quizzes, the final exam is unlocked. IPVM offers 7 courses: Video Surveillance 101, Security Cameras, Video Analytics, Access Control, IP Networking, VMS and VSaaS, and Camera Installation. Registration is $299 per course per person for both live and on-demand courses. Learn more at ipvm.com/training.